ready to see how to make some super fast, easy, and healthy burritos? These are bean and rice burritos that whip up in literally 5 minutes. The only thing that takes a little bit longer is cooking the rice. I did brown rice for these, which I made already. You can do jasmine or white rice, which cooks usually in about 15 minutes. And then the rest is super fast, like 5 minutes, that's it. This is great for meatless nights. This is great for dinner on a budget. They're delicious no matter what. And if you are a meat lover, then definitely throw in some chicken or some steak. So you will need a medium-sized pan, which I have heated up. And you're gonna start with about a tablespoon of olive oil. And I have been making these forever. These are my daughter Layla's, one of her favorite dinners still after all these years. Half a cup of finely chopped white or yellow onion, or red, any color really. Okay, so mix that in the oil. And I don't know about you, but I am obsessed with tacos, burritos, nachos, quesadillas, enchiladas, Mexican food, love it. Love it. And these burritos with just a few ingredients are so good. And so we're gonna make the filling, and then we will pop in some cheese and some salsa and some avocado. If you like sour cream, I mean, the toppings make it. You throw anything in and they're gonna be amazing. Okay, so let the onion cook for a minute or two in the oil, and then you're gonna add 2 cloves of garlic. I'm gonna be using pinto beans today. I have also made these with black beans. Both are delicious. Okay, so you are gonna let the onion cook down till it softens a little bit for a few minutes, 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, which it has been. And then you're gonna add the beans. So I've got some organic pinto beans, and you're not gonna strain them. You're actually gonna add them with the liquid. Get those mixed around with your onions. Okay, so spices, we're gonna go ahead and put a teaspoon of salt. This is a half a teaspoon, so I'm doubling. And several grinds of black pepper. Chili powder, a full teaspoon. Ground cumin, half a teaspoon. And smoked paprika for a little smokiness, half a teaspoon. Okay, so get all the seasonings mixed in with the beans and bring it to a light boil. So we're just gonna let all those flavors blend while that comes to a boil, and then we're gonna add the rice, and that's it. That's it for our filling, and then we put our toppings, roll them up in a tortilla. Simple, right? I mean, really, really fast dinner. All right, the bean liquid is boiling. So now we're gonna put the rice. So I cooked a lot of rice just because the kids like to even snack on it. So I made extra. So I'm gonna start with 1 cup and just see how that looks consistency wise. Definitely gonna put more. Okay, I'm gonna go for about another half cup of rice. So 1.5 cups of cooked rice is perfect. And so yeah, then we can just let that simmer for a minute, and that's it. Take it off the heat, and I'm gonna go ahead and get some tortillas warmed up and get these assembled. Okay, so I've got the Mission Organic soft taco size tortillas. This is still considered a burrito, but I'm using the smaller ones because they don't make these in organic and I love them. So I put it in the middle of some foil with a couple spoonfuls of the filling. Okay, depends how thick you like them. I kind of like to load them up, and these smell and taste so good. So I put it right across because I'm going to tuck everything in with the foil so nothing falls out. And then I have a 4-state cheddar cheese. Okay, it's going to melt in there really nice. Okay, and then some avocado, some cubed avocado. Just kind of pile that in. If you like sour cream or peppers or anything else, load it right up. I'm just going real simple for, the quick at-home version. Some jarred salsa, homemade is better, but like I said, I'm just doing the quick version. Even fresh cilantro in here would be fantastic. Okay, so it's piled nice and high and beautiful, and then I just kind of fold it over. Okay, and then tuck your sides like this so that you don't lose any of your filling, and wrap it in tight, and then just cut it with a knife. And of course, peel that foil back when you're ready to eat it. And there you go, a 5-10 minute burrito, dinner and a snap. Family's happy, homemade, healthy, delicious. So go out and make these. I promise you will like them. All my recipes are down below. I appreciate you watching, and I hope that you have a very blessed day.